In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted files in VS Code. If you've ever deleted a file by accident or overwritten something important, don't worry. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know two reliable ways to get your work back: using a helpful extension in VS Code and checking your system's recycle bin. First, open Visual Studio Code. With VS Code up and running, look over to the left sidebar and open the Extensions view. This is where we can quickly add tools that enhance your workflow. In the search bar at the top of the extensions view, type local history. You're looking for an extension that keeps automatic snapshots of your files as you work, so you can roll back to earlier versions if something goes wrong. When you find local history in the results, click Install. Once it's installed, it quietly starts tracking changes to your files on your machine. That means whenever you save and continue editing, the extension preserves earlier versions you can revert to later. This is especially helpful for future mistakes. Just keep in mind that if a file was deleted before you added the extension, it won't be able to retroactively capture that. Still, having this in place now gives you a safety net moving forward, and it's one of the simplest ways to protect your code from accidental loss. Next, let's recover a file that was deleted recently by checking your operating system's recycle bin. Use your system search to open the recycle bin. This is where deleted files typically go first, and as long as the bin hasn't been emptied, you can restore items in just a couple of clicks. Inside the recycle bin, browse or search for the file you want to recover. When you find it, right-click the file and choose Restore. That sends the file back to its original folder location. Return to VS Code, and the file should reappear in your workspace exactly where it was. If you're working inside a project folder, it'll land back in that same path, so you can pick up right where you left off. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If the recycle bin is empty, restoration won't be possible there, so try to avoid emptying it while you're actively working on a project. And now that local history is installed, you'll have an extra cushion for future edits and saves. That's it. Open VS Code, install local history, and recover deleted files from the recycle bin when needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you recover your work with confidence.